welcome to Dadima's Kitchen.
So today we're doing
Pepe's spicy chicken and rice challenge.
Yeah. So now we're going to be telling you the amount of heat that is in our rice. My one is just medium hot.
Mine is extra hot.
And my one's also extra hot. Yeah, so this is it. We've all got rice, and now we're going to be doing the challenge. And Hardy's got some chips.
Hardy, you got chips.
Because we're gonna see who can finish their rice first. And since Hamza and Iman have got extra spicy, it's gonna be a challenge for them. Okay, now let's start. Now we're gonna open our.
We'll show you what's inside.
Yeah. So up at the top we've got some chicken, and then underneath that we've got some rice.
Mine.
Look at Hardy's chips as well. It looks so cool.
Your one's really red, Hamza.
Same with
And
mine.
my one's just not that red, but Hamza's and Iman's looks very red. So okay, let's start. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. The chicken is so juicy. It's very delicious actually, but it's not that spicy.
Yeah, it's lightly spicy. Still spicy because it's extra hot, but yeah. The chicken's really well cooked.
It's not spicy for me though.
I think at first I won't feel very spicy, but later on it'll start feeling very spicy. Maybe the rice at the bottom seems to have lots of colour.
Okay, now I feel spicy.
Same.
Now I'm gonna try my rice. That's not too spicy actually. It's spicy, but it's not that bad. The chicken and the rice together makes it spicy. I think I'm gonna sweat because it's too spicy. Well, it's not that spicy actually, but you know.
Okay, I can feel sweat now.
I don't feel sweaty that much. We're allowed to have drinks now, so we've got some drinks.
I got one.
Yeah.
It's little glass. This is burning my mouth.
It's kind of the rice.
I have one.
It's not spicy, but the chips. I mean the chicken. They're just the thing that's giving the spice. But that's it.
It's the chicken which is spicy, but the rice is not that spicy.
The drink actually cools it down. And here I have one.
The drink's actually refreshing and cold. I'm trying to eat as fast as I can.
This is actually too hot.
Yeah, you should have got hot maybe. Last time we did them,
Spicy noodles.
yeah, and
Spicy
I
noodles.
lost that one. So hopefully I'm going to try and win this one.
Yes. And I was the winner. I was the winner.
Apparently, I do. How much?
I'm finished.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I think half. I don't know.
What?
Hans Bite is definitely going to win.
Why did you have to look at it?
The other thing is that this is fresh from, like, it's fresh.
And it's actually
it's
still
hot.
hot.
It's warm. So that's another problem.
So it's like 5 times spicier.
And it's also slowing us down because of the heat and then the steam just going in our face.
This is
Making us sweat.
Ooh, you said it at the same time.
Take so many pictures of a drink.
The thing is, I have to win because I've got hot. They've got extra hot.
Extra, I'm gonna win.
I just feel like Hamza is going to win.
A picture of mine. You're not gonna.
This is hard eating fast. Oh my god, this is so spicy. This is spicier than the last challenges.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Spicier than the noodles.
My eyes will ruin
Oh, Hardee's is spicy.
that. This is spicy.
There's actually like, it's like 3 layered. But it isn't. It's like chicken and then some masala and then some rice. So then you just have to mix it. I can't see it, but there's masala actually on top of the rice.
There's not a timer for this. But
Can you do mine?
whoever finishes first,
Can you do mine?
I don't know about this.
Mine fish. Can you do mine?
Maybe I'm not going to win.
Because of this being so spicy.
I actually want to know so bad how much Iman's had. I mean, how much Iman has left.
Kind of like a quarter.
Yeah, same. No, actually, maybe.
It's so spicy.
Oh, the drink is spicy now.
Just I'm gonna try if it's spicy.
The drink is cold and refreshing.
Oh my god, this is so spicy.
I tried it and it was so spicy.
I don't think Iman can do it.
Maybe it's the drink which is making it spicy because it's fizzy.
No way.
Finished.
The drink is actually making me keep on going. Wait. Hardy's the winner. No.
Guess what? Challenge mode. Can I my last? I think I don't want to.
only got like one bite left. How?
Oh, no.
Tell me a secret. He's probably throwing the rest of the rice underneath the table.
Okay, guys.
No! No!
No. At least I want to come second.
Yeah, same.
Done.
We have a winner.
Wait, I definitely know now that I'm going to lose this. I definitely know I'm going to lose this.
I don't want to be the loser. My mom is the loser. Wait, can I see, Iman, how much you got left?
No.
Just fresh air. And the boys. I was like, can you hold me some?
So hard eating
I
pasta.
still
can't
feel the
even
spice.
swallow.
Keep a bite ready.
My throat is killing me. I definitely know I'm going to lose this, and I won't be sad about it.
We need to make sure you don't cheat like us.
Me? That was Iman. Oh wait, no it wasn't. Oh, that was me. I can't believe Hamza actually won. And I'm the loser now.
At least I beat him in illusions.
That was unexpected. Look at Jenna, she's got like 3 bites left.
For me, it's one.
Oh.
Because I'm going to take a huge bite.
I'm going to
Or maybe
lose.
2. Because I don't think it's going to fit on the spoon. I'm trying to take as much as I can.
I need to quickly have a drink so that I can go faster now.
Okay. I'm actually on nearly my second last bite.
Looks like Jenna might actually come second.
I might, maybe.
And maybe this bite with fit.
I won't come second.
Maybe. Iman has still got a chance because she hasn't finished everything yet.
Then you take the picture of mine.
Oh, Hadi second.
Aww.
At least I'll come third, maybe.
Done.
Okay.
After I finish too.
I knew it. I knew it.
Now done. If you see it.
She's red. She's fully red. Even Jenna's
take
red.
a picture of
probably
mine
red too.
if it's finished.
You are right.
Yeah, but that's what people say. Take a picture
What?
of mine if it's finished.
Yeah, she had less spicy stuff.
But I still came second.
So yeah.
But that doesn't make sense because Hamza came first when he had extra spicy too. So that means since Iman lost, she will be paying for our next challenge.
From her own pocket money.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what you get for losing.
I wonder what our next challenge is going to be. So let's hope that it's nothing.
Spicy.
Yeah.
So make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment down below what you
please keep on
thought.
watching our videos. And bye for now.
I got lots of it finished.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر كبيرا والحمد لله كثيرا وسبحان الله بكرة وأصيلا لا إله إلا الله وحده صدق وعده ونصر عبده وأعز جنده وهزم الأحزاب وحده لا إله إلا الله